Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile to the or through the Bluetooth audio system in this Honda Civic. So if we go to Tunes, you'll see there at the bottom Honda HFT. So that's telling me, you see there's a tick next to it. If the tick was next to iPhone, it would play through my iPhone, but any audio is going to come through the Honda. So we'll go back here. It's turned down on my mobile, but I'll click play, and then we need to go to the white buttons at the top, that the 6 white squares, and home there, and you've got phone here, and you've got audio. So we'll click on audio. Then you've got Bluetooth. Well, there's a Bluetooth symbol there, and there's a phone there, but that's showing apps. We'll go to Bluetooth, and it's there. Simply the best. Now then, that's showing the source there. If, for argument's sake, it didn't come on there, if we click the source button, that's taking you back to that screen, and it's showing you the options. You've got USB, HDMI, iPod, all those you can plug in the front central armrest, but we want Bluetooth. So simply the best. We'll turn it up, and then there you go. I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'd get a copyright strike or an infringement, but that's it. That's how it works.